Hey guys, still Saturday, about 4:30, got out of the shop. We rebuilt this Honda D17 head for a good customer of mine. They torqued it on the car and this bolt stripped. So they pulled it off. I let them borrow my tooling and the mechanic wasn't comfortable enough to use it. I don't let anybody borrow my stuff, but really good customer. So here we are. I'm just, me and David are going to put this insert in for him, get this car fixed. So the guy went to go get, I forgot to bring tape. We got to tape all this up because we don't want any debris going anywhere. We're going to drill it and then tap it with this tap, big long tap. And look at this insert we use. What's it called, David? I can't remember. It's NL300. It's an NL300 insert, great insert. This thing will bite down into that block here and it ain't ever going to come out. There we go, second hole. I'm kind of spotting here. Go this way, to the way. Yeah. That one's good. There we go, last hole. He's going to keep checking this hole, make sure we're in the center. It'll drive off center, so keep looking down the hole. Don't try to drill it all at once. If you do this, cover everything. It'll go into your intake, sauce, everything. Sound like bottom. You don't want any chips anywhere. That's our chips and salsa. Just do all of them. David's gonna put it in. Hey, Stone, no, not like that. You gotta tap it. He decided he wanted to do all of them. I'm not going to film the whole thing. This all started out to just fix that one bolt hole. We inspected them, found 3. We got them drilled, and he hemmed and hawed about wondering about the rest of them. I told him I can't guarantee them. You know, when they start pulling, sometimes they all pull. It could work just repairing the 3. I could not make that decision for him. He decided to just have them, just do them all. It was a good repair, and a lot of work on my end, but I don't mind. He's a great customer. Okay, now let's get them tapped.
Huh?
Yeah. You can still drive this bolt hole out of center. Be fairly careful here. We usually do these in our head machine. I'm not going to bore you with all the tapping. We'll get them all tapped and then we'll come back and get the inserts in. Stay tuned. Here we go. Almost done. Those are all, front ones are all tapped. Working this way down the back. Just paying real close attention to keep that tap straight. It will drift sideways. Just vacuumed it out, blew it out, making sure there's nothing left. Now we blew them all out. We're going to go back down and tap one more time. Make sure we're all the way to the bottom. Okay, we've got it all cleaned out. Now we're getting some Loctite in all these. I'm not going to bore you with that step. Okay, we've got them all Loctited.
Turn your light on.
Let me turn the light on. David just reminded me. Thank you, David. And we're just spinning them in. This is just like putting a bolt in. This is the final stretch for this.
Way easier like this.
Getting kind of late too. It's Saturday night. Everybody wants to go
But it's
home.
nice this company. Oh.
You can talk about the company. We're chit-chatting.
Makes all these different sizes.
We're just talking about what a great insert these are. They're really, really solid repair. Just the best repair you can have. So I'm going to go ahead and... You don't want to watch me turn this, do you? Bear's out in the car, Jennifer White. And I will get you a video tomorrow. And you get to see Bear. How's that? Just finishing up the last. We'll get the Loctite all wiped up for them. It's almost 8 o'clock Saturday night. Hey, there you go, Jennifer. Hey, Bear, come here. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Say hi. All right, he wants to get back in the car. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go home. Come on, let's go home. This way. Come in. I guess that's probably all you can stand of me today. I'm going to get home and relax a little bit. We'll see you guys next time, okay? Thanks for coming along. Bye.